agriculture today in Nigeria.
The central bank will henceforth discontinue the sale of foreign exchange to bureau exchange operators. B. The bank will no longer process or issue new licenses for BDC operations in the country. This stoppage extends to all licenses being currently processed regardless of the stage of that processing. C. The bank would henceforth channel a significant portion of weekly allocations currently meant for BDCs to commercial banks to meet legitimate FX demand for ordinary Nigerians and businesses, whether for small-scale imports, medical bills, educational expenditure, personal and business travels, or any other legitimate needs as prescribed by the CBN's foreign exchange manual. D. All commercial banks in the country will, with immediate effect, create a dedicated teller point in designated branches for sale and disbursement of foreign exchange to customers who desire FX for legitimate purposes. For emphasis, the public should note that once a customer provides the basic documentation to purchase foreign exchange, all banks must immediately, either on demand or within a stipulated time, sell foreign exchange to the customer. Any customer who does not receive foreign exchange along these lines must report this to their bank, and where they are unsatisfied with the resolution, they are required, indeed they must, contact the CBN on our toll-free line.
In the meantime, the CBN has vowed to sanction any bank operating in the country that are collaborating with the BDCs to facilitate illegal forex dealings. Mr. Godwin Emefiele also accused international organizations, development finance organizations and embassies of patronizing BDCs to fund local operations contravening FX regulations in the country.
We have evidence that several international organizations, embassies, regrettably, and development finance institutions, I repeat, regrettably, operating in the country, patronize BDCs through illegal forex dealers to fund their local operations in further and flagrant contravention of our foreign exchange laws and regulations in Nigeria. Our examiners are currently looking at the books. We have reports that indict development finance institutions, embassies, international finance organizations who, instead of selling their foreign exchange into the recognized investors and exporters window, have resorted into operating with illegal forex dealers in flagrant contravention of our laws. And we will deal ruthlessly with the Nigerian banks who have acted as collaborators with these illegal forex dealers. We will deal with them ruthlessly because they have allowed their banking and payment system infrastructure to be used to facilitate this illegal dealing in foreign exchange. As for those foreign organizations involved, we will report them to their regulators. We will write to those organizations seeking their understanding and that they must desist. If they seek to operate in Nigeria, they must go through the right channels through which they must procure either foreign exchange or procure naira for their domestic operations.